greeting you here from Mualbual. I am with Filipina Live
Again.
Today we are heading to different waterfalls. We are going to visit 3 waterfalls in Sambuan, Cebu. So let's go. Guys, we have arrived here in the registration area of Dodiongan Falls. This is our first stop for today. I got quite dizzy in the bus actually. So we have here our guide. Ano sa'yo mong pangan, kuya?
Michael.
Michael is our guide. Michael Jackson. So there is an entrance fee which is 40 pesos. Is the bridge. Approximately it's gonna be 20 minutes hike, but depends on our pacing. Since we walk slow, it might take us 30 minutes. Oh, someone is washing clothes. Isn't it not allowed? Wow, I'm only like 39 kilograms, hey? So we are walking now in the middle of the forest. I actually did not bring my drone today because when we went to Kawasan Falls yesterday, I was having a hard time trying to fly it. So I was thinking it's gonna be the same thing. Our tour guide said that Sam was able to fly it here. That's fine. I can't risk it. Blue water. We're almost there, guys. I can hear it already. Uy, taas na naman itong waterfalls, uy. Wow, blue. Dalam niya? Oh. Amazing waterfalls in Cebu City. Let's go up, guys. Wow, this is like wall climbing already. Come on. Wow, looks lovely, guys. The water looks so strong down here.
Tanaw-tanaw sa imo.
Okay, guys, we have arrived in Dodiongan Falls. Wow, it is absolutely amazing. Look at that. It is actually pretty high right there. And yep, I am sure that my drone won't fly here because of those. Nice. We're so sweet. We hold hands. Aray. Aray. Maglupog di oy. Wow! Blur! Done here in Dodiongan Falls. The reason why it's called Dao because Dao is a name of a tree that they have here in Sambuan. Where are we going next now? What was that?
Oh, look in the map.
Naggunit yung sa PC, bisag unsay may tabo na Hindi na kukubaw dahil. Actually, namin rope mo gi-provide sa liver ko para...
Guys, we have arrived in our second waterfall today, which is here in Aguinid Falls. Layo niya? Dolra. Okay. Wala na may tubig. This is the Aguinid Falls level 1, you guys. I love the water. It actually looks so clean. It is very untouched as well. Are you gonna swim?
No.
Why not? The water is actually freaking cold, eh? I was expecting that this is slimy, guys. It isn't slimy. Kuya.
Careful ha.
Uh-oh.
Good. Back to back yung video ninyo ha. Then up na kayo.
This is a must challenge you have to do in Sambuan. Woo! We made it!
Yes.
If you take off your sleepers, guys, it's very slimy.
Yeah.
The cost for this is because of
Some is using
Sunblock.
sunblock or okay. Mango din mo siya?
Manghod sa budad. 25 ba niya siya?
To climb out that side. Anyway, you can do it. You can do it. Go.
Yeah, hard.
You can.
You have to be monkey for this. Yeah.
Careful ha.
Yeah, there's no that hardness.
Ay, nakadlock, ma'am. Kaya rin ni mo, ma'am. And then don't forget.
Kasi nga, dito sila ng agi, o dito.
Dito. Ay, nagdaog na to, ma'am. Dito ta mga agi, ma'am. Just hold the guide. Ilak imong kamot. Careful, ayog barog, ma'am, ha? Ayog barog. Ayog barog. Okay, it's your turn, ma'am. Careful.
Careful ha.
Kaya, ma'am, kaya, go.
Always kaya makamusok na inyo ha.
Ma'am, you just tip your back. There is a rock. You just tips that there. Yeah. Be careful. Go. You can do it. Go. Go din sa guide, ma'am. Okay, katusok to, ma'am. Ma'am, okay. Careful. Ayog barog, ma'am. Ayog barog.
Level 4.
Yeah.
We have one more, level 5. Let's go! Oh, wow! Kuya, I'm not going to jump.
Kaya rin ni ma'am. YOLO, YOLO, YOLO.
YOLO. Careful, honey.
Wait, take a video from here.
Okay. They've been convincing me to jump. I don't want to jump. I'm scared. We have arrived in the 5th level. This is the best. It's crazy how these rocks are forming like this, you guys. Right?
Yeah.
You look pretty with that.
And then, no chemicals added.
Yeah. After this, you will look pretty.
Much.
It feels so good in your face.
Yes, yes, you can use that one also for. Because I saw you, and that's why I. Oh, he's doing like that one, and that's why you can use that one for your. Tingnan na ko, ma'am. Ano ni? Init ang tubig. Ah, ikaw na diya.
It's soft? Yeah. It actually removes some bumps from your skin.
Take a look, ma'am. And that's why you have guides. At the center, ma'am, you can step there. Yeah. And then hold here. Yeah. Okay, you can do it. So, don't worry. Don't worry. Kuya Taga is there. Anyway, you can climb up. Anyway, like, get inside here. And then, she's scared because it's her first time that doing a... What is it? Anyway, you can have that way, yeah. Yeah, don't worry. Okay. Be careful with your head. You can have it here. Go. Hi! To the mom. No, I just want to pause here. Who wants to go? There you go. Go. Are you okay? Go.
Guys, it's so dark. I'm afraid of dark, and this is so crazy. Wow!
Okay.
It's my first time doing like this.
Yeah, actually.
This is so thin.
Yeah, you just have to sideways.
Oh my god.
You can do it. Go. I'm here.
Ah! Ah! We made it! I cannot believe I did this! Yeah! Oh my god!
Mom. But be careful, you might get wet, huh? Diretso po, ma'am. Go! Go, go, go! Ma'am, ang ingay mo! Go. Slide down diretso, ma'am. Okay.
That's why you need two guides. Because this is very adventure. Very challenging. Especially for me. Oh.
We're done.
Wow. Guys, we have finished. We were able to do it. Oh my gosh. This is a must that you have to do in the south of Cebu. Aguinid Waterfall Challenge. It is very challenging. I was actually saying, Rochelle, that we should not do it, but actually, this is the best. Like, if you want to have some adventure, you should do it. And we also have our very helpful guide, Kuya Nax and Romy?
Yeah.
Kuya Romy. They are actually very nice. They are very good tandem because they are gonna help you where to step and be careful as well. So if you are going to be here,
Washroom if you want.
no, it's okay. We're good.
Ay, mana mo dito? Mana mo dito?
We peed already there. It's a secret.
That's why I wonder why the water's warm.
It's really nice, guys. You should experience it. The best. The best. Guys, so we have arrived here in our favorite spot to end the day, Malbual in Basdako White Sand Beach. Here we are about to catch the sunset. Unfortunately, the clouds is covering it. Bye!